Hello and welcome back to my channel, you beautiful people of YouTube. So today is actually an interesting day because I have actually got an unboxing for you guys. So what this is a camera, and this was recommended to me by my photographer friend, and I decided to do an unboxing of this on my channel because this is a significant moment for me, because as of today the videos are gonna look a little bit better. I don't know how better, I haven't actually shot anything with it yet, but this is a step in making my channel look more professional. I figured since companies are starting to recognize me now, I should put in an effort to make this channel be more presentable, look more presentable. And this camera, I actually know nothing about the cameras. I'm good at audio, but I do not know anything about cameras. And I'm gonna try to learn some editing as well, and probably make some good Joshua Weller level of qualities of videos. Okay, so this is a Canon M50. The guy who recommended me said that this is the Porta Pros of the camera world. And I'm like, gotta start somewhere, right? So it was on a deal on Black Friday and I got it on a good deal. So let's move forward with the unboxing. Now the feature I like about this camera is that it's got a pop-up screen, so I should be able to monitor myself while I'm making these videos. And Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth, HDMI, picked bridge, Wi-Fi protected setup. I do not even know what that means. So I should have actually gotten the white color. I was looking at a picture of the white color. So we got some usual paperwork, pretty big book. Should be reading that in the coming week. And I apologize if my voice sounds a little labored because it is 3 in the morning and I woke up from a mini nap and I couldn't go back to sleep, so I decided to make this video. This is the camera body, and this is, I guess, the battery charger, the battery, and the lens. Moving the box away, and I'm gonna make this a short video because there's only 40% left as far as the battery goes on my phone. Everything is wrapped up in the bubble wrap, nice and protected, which is good because bubble wrap is always good. This is the camera, as you guys can see. This is a mirrorless camera, so this is going to be smaller than the regular camera. And it is actually a complaint on the forums about how small this camera actually is. This is the lens, the battery, and the battery charger. Now this was a combo going on the Amazon. I got the lens, memory card, and the kit in a combo. The bowie knife is here just making an appearance because it likes to be in my unboxing videos. So since it made its appearance, let's get rid of the buoy. Okay. Am I gonna butcher it? Okay, it is on there. God, I forgot. I'll figure it out later. Gotta open. Now let's get the memory card out of the thing. Okay, so need the buoy again. Ultimately, buoy proved to be useful. Okay, so I think this whole thing is a memory card. Yeah, it is one of those old school. I had a Sony's phone that did that stuff. Okay, so the memory card is in now, as you guys can see. Gotta put the battery in. I'm not really sure what side the battery should be going in. Okay, let's see if this thing turns on. It actually did turn on, and it is asking me to set up the date and location like that. So I'll be setting this thing up, and this was my unboxing of the Canon M50 camera, and I will see you guys in the next video, and you guys have a great weekend.